However, I will take that shape and structure here, make a paint around it. Let's take a design, use these shapes again there. We'll take it. I will add a paint for it. Choose different shapes and structure. Keep on editing. So there we have